Tanggalin mo muna to. Help kita.
Kaya pusa. 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 Wow. Pusa. Wow.
Pakita mo dito.
Hi.
Picture. Hi guys, may order naman kami ng antibac. Dishwashing. Dishwashing?
Pusa baboy
Yes,
bebe.
is bubble dishwashing. Pakita mo muna doon.
Mom,
Hindi
baboy
Baliktad,
bebe.
ganito.
Baboy
Ayan.
bebe.
Instant.
Mom, baboy bebe.
Opo, gagawa tayo bubbles. Okay, mama? Help mo si mama, okay?
This baboy.
This
This
bubbles.
bubbles
Antibacteria.
there.
Oh.
There.
Order na, guys. 3 kilo to, guys. Gagawin natin siyang magawa tayo na dishwashing DIY. Bubbles. This is bubbles.
This baboy baby. This food there.
Yes, this is bubbles. This is dishwashing antibac. Let's go. Gawa na ta?
Yes.
Yes. Ayan guys. Hello guys. Para madaming trabaho si Inso, may magawa si Inso. Gumagawa siya ng dishwashing liquid DIY. So ayan, halo lang siya ng halo para malingaw siya. Kailangan siyang haluin ng 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Haluin ng haluin. Dishwashing DIY. DIY. Gumagawa si Inso ng dishwashing. Haluin lang ng haluin para malingaw ka, para may worth by ka. Sige pa. Halo. Kapag pag hanggang matunaw at ibabad, iwas ito ng 3 hours bago gamitin. After waiting your 3 later, for the dishwashing liquid is na ready. Just add water. So, ayan. More halo lang, so more halo. Para may worth ikaw, okay? You're done? You're done?